Buongiorno, ciao a tutti. So today we are going to start with our chapter number 3, lezione 3, buon appetito, in our series of Nuovo Espresso Italiano. Okay, now what we are going to learn in this particular chapter, grammatica, I verbi regolari in R. So we will see regular verbs which are ending in R. Like another one is I verbi volere, I preferire. So these are two other verbs which are not regular. Il plurale dei sostantivi, plural form of nouns. Gli articoli determinativi, so determinant articles. Bene, buono. Gli interrogativi, che cosa, quali, quante. Okay, so these are the grammar topics we are going to cover. So this particular unit talks about food related vocabulary will be there. Okay, then there would be a lot of grammar in terms of grammar. We're gonna learn a lot of verbs and their respective conjugations, how to form plural of the nouns. Okay, and other such combinations we will cover gradually. Okay, so foremost topic we're going to start in this chapter would be gli articoli determinativi. Okay, so we will cover the determinant articles, and we will also find out their plural. Okay, foremost we will cover the grammar, and then we will proceed with that, and gradually and parallelly we will proceed with the chapter. Okay, so you can put the heading here. Yeah, sorry. Gli articoli determinativi. So foremost, obviously, we have two genders, that maschile, femminile, and among them we have, singolare, plurale. Okay, so first let us talk about maschile. So the first rule is here, if there is a consonante. So in that situation, we have the article il gelato, which means ice cream. This one is singular. Okay. You can write like this better. Singolare. And the plural will be I gelati. Okay, so this one is plurale. Okay, so for singolare we use il, and for plural form we will use I. Okay, then if the noun sostantivi, it starts with vocale, that is the vowel. So we have L with an apostrophe, which means l'antipasto. Okay, so l'antipasto, it means starter, and plurale will be gli antipasti, which means obviously it will be the plural form. Okay, there is another combination which is which goes with number third, S plus consonant, consonante. So in this situation, in this case, we use lo, lo spumante, lo spumante. It is a kind of a wine. Spumante is a wine. And plurale will be same. Li, li. It is like million. Li. Ispumanti. Okay. Now, what you have noticed here, just see the trend here. Okay. So, parallelly, you can also write il plurale dei sostantivi. Okay. So, you can write here. Sostantivi. In the case of maschile, that is the masculine, what we do, if it is ending in O, okay, or if it is ending in E, in both the cases, they would be converted into an I, okay. So in the case of maschile, O and E, I'm not using the Italian pronunciation of the alphabets, we can directly say. So we're gonna convert it into I. So all the examples obviously are there. Few more I can give you. Among them, you can also write, yeah, il. I hope it is visible. Okay, let me write here. Bicchiere. So it would be I bicchieri. Bicchiere, which means glass. Okay, so bicchieri would be glasses. Yeah. So these are the case of masculine or maschile. Ok, so gli articoli determinativi maschile, consonante, vocale, and S plus consonant combinations. These are the cases, and these are the ways these are the ways in which we form the plural form for the masculine. Okay. Next we have femminile. Okay. Femminile. Okay. So here also we have the case consonante. This one is very simple. So we have simply la pizza. Okay. And you can write like this. That one is the singular case. Singolare. And what is the case plurale? Le pizza. Le pizze. Okay. Le pizze. Le pizze. Another case is vocale. We have singolare. Simple. With an apostrophe. L'insalata. Obviously, it is a salad, and plural will be okay. Plurale will be le. Le insalate. So what we can notice from here, feminines are obviously the most of the time they end in in alphabet A. Okay, and there would be one more you can write here. Just as an example here. La carne. So carne is a meat. So its plural will be le carni. Carni. Okay. So what you can notice here, if we want to form the plural in the case of femminile, it would be and e. They both convert. This would change into I. Most of the examples we did la carne I've given you. Another one is la bevanda. So it would be le bevande. These are the beverage. Okay. Obviously the plural will be beverages. Yeah. So le bevande. Now in this case, what else? Okay. There's another very key point we can note down here. In the case of plural, okay, so plural formation, there is one more point you have to note down. That is, this is a note. There are nouns with, let me zoom it, okay, I'll bring it like this. There are nouns with accent marks at the end, okay, or they are ending in consonant. So in this case, plural is same as singular. For example, il, te. Just wait, I'm just gonna struggle with it. So, wait a minute. I need to just check the combination. Yeah, it would be, yeah, this, okay. So in this case, te, it would be e, te. It would be same. There would be no change. Similarly, it is ending in a consonant. Toast, I mean, same word. So it will remain same. There would be no some sort of ending. Okay, so if it is ending in an accent mark or it is ending in a consonant, there would be no addition of, and there would be no spelling change. Okay, so I mean the Italian, in the case of Italian language, okay, when we are forming the plural forms, simple is that we have to change the last vowel into, there are obviously some, there is the, okay, I just missed it. In case of feminine, okay, a will change into, yeah, please correct it, okay, and e will change into I. This is the case. Bevande, le bevande, okay, and if carne ending in e, it would be carni, le carni, okay. So these are the cases in which one can form the plural. Okay. Okay. Let's come back to our textbook. Here on page number 43, you can see how they are forming il plurale dei sostantivi. Obviously, all these I have already discussed regarding the special cases as well. Yeah. And So it is also the case of feminine as well. It's not say specifically in the case, not the case of masculine. It's also the case of feminine, and also we have articoli determinativi that we had covered here. Okay. Next would be we will see some bevande, which means drinks, and the vocabulary, related vocabulary we will cover. Okay, and we will also learn some verbs such as prendere and desiderare. Okay, that is to desire something. So, and other combinations such as vorrei, that we will also cover. So that all these we will gonna do in the next session. Till then, if you had enjoyed the session, please hit the like button, and it's time to say ciao. We'll meet in the next episode. Please care to share this. This is a very free of cost initiative. Till then, have a nice day.